John Olson, Schofield Hyundai West again. Let's try this all over again. This is a red one, and I have this one in the showroom. And it's not obvious. I don't have the blue in stock, but the wind's not as bad in here either, so I know you can hear me this way. This is the GLS that I believe you had asked about. It's going to have fog lights. You can see down there. They're all going to have alloys. This will be true of whatever color we select. This is a GLS of the preferred equipment package, which means there's a few extra features that come with it. Of course, power windows and locks are standard. Tilt and telescope steering is standard. These steering wheel controls. This is all entertainment for the radio, Bluetooth for your cell phone, and then there's a trip computer over there and cruise control up on the top. AM, FM, CD, you get a 90-day trial of XM radio, and there's these are cloth seats. This is a premium weave, but they're heated. So they keep you nice and cozy this time of year, but they breathe really well for summertime. And this seat, this is actually a manual seat, but it does everything a power seat will do. Up, down, forwards, backwards. Very adjustable, especially if you have to share the car with someone else. You can get a couple of different sized people comfortably to share the car. This car has 8 cup holders in it also, believe it or not. Tons of room in the back. There's a armrest in between the seats there. There's 2 cup holders in there. I was going to show you the trunk back here because it's humongous. And you can also kind of get an idea. There, I can show you the kind of the corner of the tail light, and you can get a little bit of an idea how big that is. But this button right here that I'm zooming in on, you pull that, those rear seats, those fold down and give you a little extra cargo space. But my cell phone is 680-9823. Call me there first. You can almost always, if you don't get me, just leave a message and I'll call you right back. And you know what, I'll tell you what, why don't you holler after you've seen this and we can take it from there. Okay? Thanks, Chris. I appreciate it. Bye.